How to post a product on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Log into your account. Then click on Marketplace at the top, which is the fourth option. Then you'll find profile icon at the top right. Click on it. In here, click on your listings. In your listings, click on Create Listing at the top. After that, in here, select your item, what you want to sell. Then it will open this page. In here, click on Add Photos. And then add photo of your product that you want to sell. After that, add the title of the product. Then add price. Add category, condition, if it's new or used. After that, you can add more descriptions if you want. Then your location will be set as the previous marketplace. If you want to edit, click on edit. If not, select other options and then press on publish at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, it will simply publish your post. Facebook will review it, and if it's valid, it will post it and you'll be able to post a product. This is how to post a product on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.